In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable support access in Zoho Flow. This feature can be incredibly useful when you're troubleshooting issues or require assistance from Zoho's support team. Enabling this access allows support engineers to view your Zoho Flow account temporarily, helping them to better understand and resolve any technical difficulties you might be experiencing. So, let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to begin by navigating to the Settings section of your Zoho account. You can do this by clicking on your profile picture or the avatar icon located in the top right corner of your screen. This is where most of the account-related options are housed, making it a handy starting point for various actions within Zoho. Once you've clicked your profile picture, look for the My Account option. Selecting this will open up the Zoho Accounts page in a new tab, which is a centralized dashboard where you manage your Zoho-related preferences. This page provides access to a wide range of settings, but for our purposes, we're specifically interested in something called Support Access. Here, we're going to focus on navigating to the Privacy and Security section located in the left-hand menu. Take your time to find it, as this is where you'll manage the security settings related to your account, including granting temporary access to Zoho's support team. Once inside the Privacy and Security section, scroll down until you locate the Support Access option. This feature is specifically designed to provide controlled access to your account, ensuring both your security and the ability for support engineers to assist you when you need it. Now, it's time to enable support access. You'll see an option that says Grant Access. Clicking this button will present you with several duration options. Here, you can decide how long you'd like to provide access, with choices including 1 day, 3 days, 5 days, or even 7 days. This flexibility ensures you maintain control over your account's security while still allowing enough time for the support team to effectively troubleshoot any issues. After selecting the duration, you'll need to confirm your selection. This step is crucial as it formalizes the temporary access and lets Zoho support engineers know they can safely and securely access your account. Remember, this access is limited to the duration you've specified and is designed solely for the purpose of support and troubleshooting. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled support access in Zoho Flow. This means that the next time you contact Zoho support, they'll be able to quickly understand and address your concerns. By following these steps, you've made a significant move towards a smoother and more responsive support experience with Zoho. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in streamlining your way to expert assistance from the Zoho team.